I went to a mortgage conference a few years ago, probably 7 or 8 years ago, where there was a panel of 3 or 4 loan officers on that panel, on the stage, who had all closed over $1 million in W-2 income. Now, it's crazy to think that was like 7 or 8 years ago. But here was my takeaway. One of the panelists said this about tracking your business. You're a pro if you do, you're an amateur if you don't. Now let's talk about what tracking our business looks like in the mortgage business. You know, the first thing that we think about is we track our production. At the end of the month, we track how many loans we closed, what our volume was, and let's be honest, we track how much money we made, how much our income was. But I want you to slow it down, and I want you to go back even further. You know, if you've taken your business plan to the next level, and that is you've actually written down not just what you want to do in volume and production, but how you're going to do it. The things that you need to be tracking are the hows. You need to be tracking how many open houses you're going to a weekend, how many new agents you're adding to your database, how often you're touching that database, how many times am I going in front of my past clients, how many times am I doing mortgage checkups. Listen, there's probably hundreds of different sales activities that as loan originators, we could be doing out in the marketplace. What I want you to take away from what I'm sharing with you today is, have you identified what those are, and are you tracking them? One of the reasons it's important to track, listen, we all like to be able to check off that box that we accomplished something. That's forward looking, but I think reverse looking is, hey, what are the activities that we're doing that are actually bearing fruit? So if you're doing some things that are taking your time, your resources, and your effort, and they're bearing no fruit, don't you want to know what those are too? So this isn't just about tracking results. This is about tracking the activities that get us results. If there's anything that you need, please know I'm always here to serve.